Yes, Prius, you cut off that Mazda. Because Prius. Well, you may as well go, lady. I mean, much. Try looking before you go. I mean, really. Fudge. You're going the wrong way. Toyota. Red light runner. Get off his ass, for Christ's sakes. Her ass, whatever. You're close enough, for Christ's sakes. Yeah, you should blink sooner than that, you shithead. Staying your side of the road, staying your side of the fucking road. Jesus Christ. Going over the speed limit, you know, you don't have to be this close. And that's a no passing zone, you shitbag. Your high beams on, motherfucker. Your high beams on, motherfucker. Shut them off. Seriously, what is it with you fucking people on the high beams? You just ran the red. You just ran the red. Yep. Hi there. No, I'm not waiting for that. Red. He ran it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Get a fucking light for your bike, stupid. You don't need your high beams on, stupid. Toyota. Yeah, you're in the red. Stop tailgating. Stop, outie hole. Stop. I think you just ran a red. You just ran a red. Oh, you very much ran a red. Subadoosh. Now that's pink. Now that looks on camera. That was a cutoff. Don't mind me. Good. Alright, could your tail get any closer, you little shit? Red light. Runner. Hey, I made it. I wonder if he did. You're in the red light. Thank you. Want to stop, lady, or what? Yeah, try that. There we go. You're not gonna stop, are you? No! Because they never do. gonna stop behind me? You can stop again. Here, another one. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Just making more work for me, mofos. That's all you're doing. Here we go again. The no stop. I don't think you stopped. Save it for start. The wrong way, you dumbass.
42 next.
Get off my ass, Toyota, stop playing with your phone. Back the fuck off. Give me the finger, medical courier. Vital delivery. Fuck you. Absolutely no one is impressed. That's not really an appropriate item to have in your dashboard. Don't run the red, don't run the red, don't run the red, he ran the red, yeah! The double douche. Hey! Jive ass turkey. Yeah! Left out of there. Wait, that's no turn on red. That was no turn on red. Yep. Somebody ran there, turn off the stop sign. Bet. Guess you want to go in there, huh? Or not? What the fuck you doing, lady?